Hi again, teachers, and welcome back to Shawn's Corner. This week we're going to look at something that everyone's talking about, Kahoot. Kahoot is a website that allows you to create questions and turn any type of multiple choice question into a game show format. In the next Shawn's Corner segment, we'll look at all the different ideas we have for making Kahoots. But in this one, let's look at the basics and some considerations. First of all, making the Kahoots. To sign up for an account and to view other people's games, you need to go to create.kahoot.it. Once you've made your account, you can click on Discover and type in your grammar point and the level you're looking for to find other people's Kahoots. Try, for example, Present Perfect A2, Conditionals B2, Sports A2, Linking Words, or anything like that. These are just a few ideas. To make your own, click on Create. In a nutshell, you have to write a question and must provide between 2 and 4 answers, and then also select which is the right one. You can time the questions and add as many as you like. We'll look more into this in a future session. My suggestion is that you find one that you like right now, click on Duplicate, and then modify it to get the hang of the platform. So let's move on to our next part, which is student interaction. When you play with students, you will refer them to kahoot.it, or they can download the app if they want to. You should normally project the game on a screen so that students can see the game. Because the question options do not appear on the phone, it has the advantage that all students will pay attention to the board. They only look at their phones the moment they are answering. They will become very involved, and it's a very energetic experience, so it's a great way to finish off a class. Basically, you can do the whole content of a worksheet in a short time with a lot more attention. It's memorable, saves paper, and gets student engaged. If you'd like to view some of the Kahoots I've made or adopted from other Kahoot users, please do a search for Shawnito. Look for the creator as a Shawnito, and you'll know that it's one that I've used or made from the 5th grade level on up through university student levels. So, because you really do give a hoot, why don't you give a Kahoot? Learning will happen during the game. Thanks, and see you next week.
I hope you enjoyed it. It was quite useful. And I hope you check the next Shawn's Corner session on Tuesday. Bye-bye.